Hello everyone, welcome to Apna College. In today's class, I'm going to teach you about voice. Voice is divided into two parts. One is active voice and the other is passive voice. So basically, active voice tells you that the subject is performing the action, whereas in passive voice, the subject is acted upon the verb. Okay, now this is one of the topic under the verbal ability section, right? And under this verbal ability section we have many other topics like cloze test, substitution, and reading comprehension, synonyms, antonyms, and many more, right? So let's quickly jump on to this topic and understand its basic rules, and that we need to be sure of while we will be performing our examination, while we'll be doing our examination. So let's quickly now jump onto the rules. It has few basic rules. We will understand the rules. We will then practice few question answers, and by practicing it, you will get the idea of how the questions are going to come in your examination. So these are few rules. Basically, what is the structure? What is the structure of active voice? It is first comes the subject, then the verb and the object. For example, I teach mathematics, you know. According to the subject verb rule, according to the subject verb concord, okay, when the subject is singular, the verb will be singular. When the subject is plural, the verb will be plural if we talk about the third person, right? So I teach mathematics. So here I is singular, right? Then the verb will also be singular, right? I wrote the letter. So if you can find the subject is I here in both the sentences. The verb is teach and wrote here. Mathematics is the object. The letter is the object. Now, the passive voice structure is object, verb, then subject. Now, the correct is, comes the verb, then the object, the verb, then we have by also before subject. We have by also before subject. For example, the sentence is mathematics is taught by me. Here the subject is acted upon by the verb, right? Mathematics is taught. Mathematics पढ़ाई जा रही है. किसके द्वारा पढ़ाई जा रही है? मेरे द्वारा पढ़ाई जा रही है. Okay? So यहाँ पर एक basic सी चीज है that you should understand. Subject, verb, object. Object, verb will remain verb, subject. बस यहाँ पे by add हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Simple? Now, let's jump on to the next sentence. So, we will be doing different rules. For example, if it is simple present tense. In the simple present tense, subject के साथ verb की first form आएगी, then object. And in the passive, object आ जाएगा, am is are आ जाएगा, verb की third form आ जाएगी, by subject आ जाएगा. अभी I am telling you that in all these slides, okay, in this class today for this voice topic, I have got many slides in this topic, और इन सभी में ना बच्चे what you are going to understand the different rules, and if you understand the different rules you'll be able to clear the question also, क्योंकि active passive voice का question आना ही है. आपको पता है एक नंबर आपका फिक्स है ही है, तो why not just do practice of these questions and then just तम चट्टे फटे कर दे इन questions पर. The first is I watch television every night. I watch television every night. Now इसका क्या हो जाएगा? Television is watched. अब अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला इस आ जाएगा, टेलीविजन के साथ तो इस आएगा, इज वॉच्ड. वॉच का थर्ड फॉर्म क्या है? वॉच्ड हो जाएगा बाय मी एवरी नाइट. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस का रूल क्या होता है. फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट, देन इज एम आर हो जाएगा, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी. यू कैन ऑल्सो कॉल इट वर्ब की फोर्थ फॉर्म एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, नाउ इन द पैसिव वॉइस ऑब्जेक्ट विल कम फर्स्ट, देन is MR, then being is important. Okay, being आता है passive voice में, then verb की third form, by, then subject. She is feeding the poor. अब क्या हो जाएगा? The poor. Okay, the poor हो जाएगा. अब क्या हो जाएगा? The poor is being fed. The poor तो अब हमारा क्या है बेटा? They are always treated as plural noun. If they are always treated as plural noun, तो क्या हो जाएगा? Plural verb आएगा. तो the poor are being fed by. She का क्या हो जाता है? Her हो जाता है. Got it? Now. Next is present perfect tense. Active voice is subject plus has have plus verb की third form and object. Then in the passive voice it will come object, has have, been, verb की third form, by, then subject. Rishi has made the bed. The bed. Okay, Rishi has made the bed. The bed अब क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? The bed has been made by Rishi. Okay, the bed has been made by ऋषि. Got it बेटा. बीन हमारा ऐड हो जाता है. ओके, एंड द व्हेन इट इज सिंगुलर तो हैज होगा, प्लूरल तो हैव होगा. Got it? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस क्या होता है? सब्जेक्ट हैज हैव, वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म, ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, तो ऑब्जेक्ट हैज अ वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म बाय सब्जेक्ट, शी हैज परफॉर्म्ड अ ड्यूटी वेल, शी हैज परफॉर्म्ड हर ड्यूटी वेल, ठीक है, शी हैज परफॉर्म्ड हर ड्यूटी वेल, तो अब इसका क्या हो जाएगा, हर ड्यूटी हैज बीन परफॉर्म्ड वेल बाय हर, हैज परफॉर्म्ड वेल बाय हर, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. Simple past tense is active, in active voice subject, then verb की second form object, then object was a verb की third form by subject. He made a plan. A plan was made by him. Got it? Now, this is it. The next says, okay. The next slide says, okay, past continuous tense. Okay, subject was a verb की first form, ing, object. Okay. Then the passive voice is object plus was verb being verb की third form by is missing here since subject. She was looking into the matter. She was looking into the matter. The matter was being looked into. The matter was being looked into by her. Simple. Next is past perfect tense. Subject had verb की third form object. Then object had been verb की third form by subject. A pilot had predicted such an accident. Such an accident had been predicted by a pilot. If you know the formulas, you're done. हो जाएगा सब फिर. Next is simple future tense. Subject will shall verb की base form object. Then in the passive voice object will shall be verb की third form by subject. Your boss will question you. You will be questioned by your boss. You will be questioned by your boss. Next is future perfect. Subject will shall have verb की third form object. Okay, subject will shall have verb की third form object. Then in the passive voice object will shall then plus have been. यहाँ पे subject नहीं आएगा. Okay. Will shall आएगा. Then have plus been verb की third form by subject. The shopkeeper will have given some discount. Some discount will have been given. Okay. यहाँ पर something is missing. यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? Will have been given by the shopkeeper. Okay. Got it? Now we'll talk about the imperative sentences. Now sentences such as orders, requests, commands, suggestions, etc. They're known as imperative sentences, you know this. And the passive form of imperative sentences will start with or without the object. Okay. Now passive form with object will be let plus object plus be plus past participle. And if it is without object, then it will be in case it begins with you are ordered, requested, exit. Just for an example, you're ordered, you're commanded, you're requested. Got it? Take medicine on time. For example, these active voice is saying take medicine on time. Take medicine on time. Then in the passive voice you will say this, there is no object. Okay, then if there is the passive form is without object, then you will start with you are advised, you are requested, you are ordered to take medicine on time. Okay. Now, interrogative and interrogative sentences, the question form sentences are called interrogative sentences, and in voice, interrogative sentence can be of two types, with WH family word, without family word. अगर who है ना present active voice में, तो वो by whom हो जाएगा passive form में, और in case without WH word है, तो helping verb से शुरू होगा. याद रखना, मैं यहाँ पे बता देती हूँ आपको, मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है WH family word से अगर होगा, ठीक है, तो active voice में अगर who is है, तो it should be by whom हो जाएगा. ठीक है, लेकिन विदाउट WH वर्ड है ना अगर एक्टिव वॉइस में, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब शुरू हो जाएगा ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एज यू कैन सी इट, हु लाइक्स हर. अब यहाँ पर ये हु से शुरू हो रहा है, WH वर्ड से शुरू हो रहा है, तो बाय हुम आ जाना चाहिए. बाय हुम इज शी लाइक्ड. ओके, गॉट इट. Now we have few questions. Now we will be doing those questions. Now in your examination, you will definitely get one active or passive voice sentence. Okay, active or passive voice sentence, and then in there you will be given 4 options. You will have to find the best out of the 4. बाकी 3 जो उन options में होंगे गलत होंगे, एक जो होगा सही होगा. ठीक है, राइट. अब जो मैं आप लोगों के पास पैटर्न लाई हूँ, मैं आपको लेकर आई हूँ, that you have to find the correct form. You have to find the correct form of the active voice or the passive form. Okay, लेकिन questions में because I want you to practice in your mocks, in your mock papers. Okay, I have given you questions based on that pattern only. उसमें आप ढेर सारी practice करें, confuse होंगे, but out of confusion आपका answer निकलेगा, and when you will be able to do the answers, that means you're done with it. Which of the following sentences in active voice? अब हमें देखना है कौन सा एक्टिव वॉइस में. बाय मैरी लिखा हुआ है, बाय मैरी लिखा हुआ है, ये दोनों तो हो ही नहीं सकते. यहाँ पे कॉमा आ रहा है, नहीं. मैरी बेक द केक करेक्ट हो गया, बी हमारा करेक्ट आंसर हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्रॉम एक्टिव विच ट्रांसफॉर्म टू, मतलब पैसिव देखना है. ये पैसिव फॉर्म में नहीं है, ये पैसिव फॉर्म में नहीं है, ये नहीं है, बस देख लो बाय हर हो रहा है, यही करेक्ट होता है, रिवॉर्ड विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड बाय हर, सी होगा। नेक्स्ट इज आइडेंटिफाई पैसिव, ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखो कोई पैसिव फॉर्म एंड में नहीं है, ठीक है, ये बाय द टीम हो रहा है, इसका मतलब बी होगा, गॉट इट। नेक्स्ट, विच सेंटेंसेस इज नॉट इन पैसिव वॉइस, कौन सा पैसिव वॉइस में नहीं है, ये पैसिव में है, ये तो फॉर्मेट ही गलत है, ये पैसिव में, नॉट यही वाला है, तो बी करेक्ट होगा, ये एक्टिव फॉर्म में, एक्टिव वॉइस में। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, चूज अ करेक्ट पैसिव फॉर्म ढूंढना है हमको, ठीक है, ये पैसिव फॉर्म नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, बाय द वर्कर्स, बाय द वर्कर्स, अ न्यू ब्रिज इज बिल्डिंग बाय द वर्कर्स, अ न्यू ब्रिजेस, या फिर अ न्यू ब्रिज इज बीइंग बिल्ट बाय, तो हमारा सी होगा, करेक्ट फॉर्म तो सी ही है, ठीक है। अब न्यू ब्रिजेस बी इज बिल्डिंग नहीं होगा, इसके साथ फिर बिल्डिंग भी कोई पैसिव में नहीं है, टेंस नहीं है, गलत। विच एक्टिव में क्या है, बाय द ऑथर गलत हो जाएगा, ये यहाँ पे कॉमा दो सेंटेंसेस फ्रेज में डिवाइडेड है, नहीं, ये भी पैसिव में है, ये हमारा एक्टिव में है, तो हमारा बी हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट इज आइडेंटिफाई, बी स्मार्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंस, पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंस ढूंढेंगे, यही है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है ऐसा, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, विच ऑप्शन करेक्टली ट्रांसफॉर्म द सेंटेंस फ्रॉम एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस, एक्टिव टू दैट मीन्स हमको पैसिव वॉइस ढूंढना है, देखो यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, इधर बी और इधर डी, द असाइनमेंट माइट हैव बीन कंप्लीटेड बाय हर, और द लास्ट ऑप्शन इज माइट हैव बीन कंप्लीटिंग, रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, माइट भी है, हैव भी है, बीन भी है, बहुत सारे टेंसेस मिक्स हो गए, बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज चूज द एक्टिव वॉइस, Sally purchased the concert tickets, very good, purchased by Sally, no, no, were purchased by Sally, no, correct answer is B. At least you're able to identify what is active voice and passive voice, that is also important. Then mock test में जाना, और mock test में फिर उसके बाद जब आप करेंगे कि active passive voice तो identify करना आ गया ना, जब वो आ जाएगा तो फिर वो practices भी कर लोगे आप, okay? Question 10 says which sentence is not in passive voice, building the house in was a challenge, the house was built in Itna, the construction workers built the house in Itna, building the house in Itna was a no, the house was, the construction workers built the house in, B will be the correct, the house was built in 1900, the construction workers built the house, तो बेटा C will be the correct answer, यहाँ पे हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है नहीं, तो C will be the correct answer. Voice sentence, passive voices, the this is not in a correct form, this is not in a correct form, find from this two deletion we were good for the guess by the chef, okay, B is the correct answer here, okay. Next is the committee has chosen the new chairman, we have to find passive form, the new chairman have been chosen by the committee, B will be the correct answer here. Next is which sentence is in active voice, active voice, the song was sung beautifully by the singer, no, singing the song, no, the singer sang the song beautifully, okay, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 14 is the team solved the puzzle in record time, that we have to find passive, okay, the puzzle was solved by the team in record time, the team solved the puzzle in record time solving the, okay, this is B, इसका क्या होगा बेटा, 14th का हमारा B होगा, और 15th का हमारा बेटा चूज द एक्टिव वॉइस, द कीज वर फाउंड अंडर द काउच बाय सारा, we have to find active, the keys were found under the couch by Sarah, under the couch, no, finding the keys under the, no, Sarah found the keys under the couch, we have to find active voice. 15th का आंसर क्या होगा, 15th का बेटा it will be, wait, let me see where the question is, Sarah found the keys under the couch, this is the active voice, okay. क्या है इसका आंसर, इसका आंसर बेटा हमारा D है, okay. So thank you so much everyone, these are the questions that we have done practice, please practice from your sample paper and please also practice from your mock test, okay. This will be, those papers will be very helpful for you all, and lots and lots of practice you people have to do, because the more you will practice the better you will become at it. Thank you so much everyone, अपना ध्यान रखिएगा, नमस्कार, जल्द ही मिलेंगे for the next class.